invite you to meet the channel Nature's Simplistic Beauty Motivation, where you can get inspired to be your best self with helpful tutorials. Her channel is about motivation, sharing inspirational and motivational content that will help others grow in life and in their YouTube journey. Nature inspiration is also my passion. By sharing my nature photographs, I hope to inspire others to get outdoors and enjoy the beauty of nature. Please pause this video to read some more about her channel. Here are some of her beautiful nature photographs. Here are a couple of examples of some of her inspirational videos and motivational videos for people on the YouTube journey. And here are some titles with descriptions of more motivational and inspirational videos. So I encourage you to check out the channel, Nature Simplistic Beauty Motivation. And if you like what you see, press the big red subscribe button and ring the notification bell.